Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create the glitch transition. And firstly, what you want to do is go to Envato and download your footage that you want to do a transition on. And as well, there's a pack of glitch transitions from Envato which I will be using in this video, and I'll put a link for everything down in the description below. So let's get started. Firstly, what you want to do is drag the footages to your timeline. Go match to media. After that, what you want to do is open up your glitch transition packs and choose a transition. I'm going to use the glitch 1 transition. What you want to do is go to composing and choose the screen blending mode and hit OK. Now what you want to do is find the white spot in the transition and when we find our white spot in the transition, we're going to add a marker to it and put that in between the two footages. We've created our first transition, and let's create our second one as well. Let's add the glitch 9 transition here, and let's change the blending mode to screen. Again, repeat the process. Find the whitest spot in the transition and put a marker on it, put it in between the two footages, and there you go, we've created the glitch transition effect. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.